Ladies and gentlemen, today I'd like to talk about confidence. We want to acquire confidence. We see other people, if they are making speech or if they're talking about topic, we started thinking to have confidence like what happens. But whenever we are going to make speech, when we are going to have discourse or conversation with somebody, we think that we are not capable enough to do this. How does it happen? Because we are doubtful, we are skeptical, and we are self-doubters. We're not confident enough to face the situation. Whenever we are here to make a discourse, to make speech, to have conversation, what happens? Our self-doubt, our lack of confidence, our thinking that that triggers us, that does not let us to move ahead and have discourse. The thing is that confidence is not what you think about it and what you have, rather confidence is what you do. You make practice and you acquire it. Our mind is not wired like to think and forget or deviate from certain situations. We are interested to forget certain thing, whatever happens to us. But the thing is that we are thinking again and again, and ultimately we are going deep into that situation. Since we want to come out, but we are thinking and we are going deeper into the same situation where we want to just move away. Our mind is not wired like that. Whatever you thinking and whatever you making focus, you will ultimately form your world. Our world is formed whatever we think, whatever we perceive, and whatever we concentrate. It ultimately forms our world. If we want to come out of this situation, we have to readjust our lens of watching something, seeing something. So once we readjust and we started planning and devising new method and methodology and model to resettle our life, to reshape our life, we can get out of this situation. So how do we get out of these situations? For that, we have to devise another plan. For example, you want to come out of the problems. You have certain problem. You are thinking you want to come out. First thing is that you think about the problem and ultimately you are going deeper and deeper into the same situations. The other thing is that you should involve your mind in another direction, plan other activity, find your interest, and started working on that topic. For example, you are interested to have philosophy or study of psychology, or you are interested in neurology, or you are interested in fiction, you're interested in novel, you're interested in scientific research. So involve yourself into that area rather than making focus on the same thing you want to come out. So once you will start working another field, your mind will automatically be wired and reprogrammed in that direction. So our mind is wired like that. Whatever you think again and again, it will be going deeper and deeper into the same situation. And you are just thinking over and over again. It will be entangling and involving and encompassing and manipulating you more and more. So thing is that if you want to get rid of situation, if you want to gain confidence, if you want to do some productive work, do it now. You just think 1, 2, 3, 4 and do it now. Rather than thinking about tomorrow, planning about tomorrow, I'll be doing in the future. I'll be be confident in future. I'll be doing this thing day after tomorrow, and then you'll be thinking day after tomorrow and day after tomorrow and so on and so forth. You'll be thinking, and ultimately you will be doing nothing. Want to get confidence? Do it now. It's a practical work. It is what you do, and it is what you get through your doings rather than thinking. Stay blessed and have a nice time.